Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my channel. This video we're going to explore actually the key fobs which are there in your car, and so the setup is quite simple. I have my HackRF. I'm going to use this HackRF to actually capture the signal, and we will try to replay the signal, and we will try to see what are the bits which are associated with these key fob signals which are there, which are easily available, which is for your car. So basically in this video we're going to explore these key fob signals. So the first setup is this. I'm going to open a software which is known as you can see it on this screen, I have GQRX is running, because we're going to try to do a replay attack using this. First we're going to capture this using a tool which is available in Dragon OS Focal, that is known as Universal Radio Hacker. Universal Radio Hacker allows me to actually look at the bit construction of your key fob signals which are there. So this is connected to my computer that has Universal Radio Hacker. This is where I'm going to look at the replay attack in this PC. So in your Universal Radio Hacker, I'm going to go in and I'm going to record my signal, and I'm going to choose my device to be HackRF because I'm using my HackRF, which is connected. As you can see, this is connected. And okay, so there are two different frequencies which is allocated for your key fob. One is 315 megahertz, the other one is 433 megahertz. This key fob is operating at 315 megahertz. That's the frequency which is allocated for Japan and USA. So I'm going to choose this. I'm going to select my identifier, and I'm going to choose this to be 314 because 92 is there. I'm going to choose this sample rate to be around 8 mega samples. So let me choose this to be. I'm using HackRF. Why am I not able to change this? There we go. And I'm going to leave the gain as is. I'm going to increase the gain a little bit, and we're going to do a capture first. So this is basically worse than rolling codes. So we're going to try to capture this using pressing it 5 times, the unlocking button. So just wait for it. We're going to do this. So let me start this here first. Once it's started, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm going to stop this. You can also see it here as well that this is being captured, and because I'm using my RTL-SDR dongle right here, which is connected to my GQRX, to actually see the signal. So you have seen the spike that is coming in. Once I have recorded the signal, I'm going to save this signal, and I'm going to call it whatever. It's just going to save it into my default folder. Once this signal is being saved, and we're going to try to replay this, and we're going to look at the bit structure of my key fob signal, which are generally there. So they basically work on rolling codes, and I have already made a video on it where you can try these rolling codes will roll itself after you press it 5 times. And I made a video. I'll also leave a link where I have actually unlocked my vehicle using a simple replay attack by HackRF. So we're just going to wait for it to come up, and we're going to wait, and the screen will change, and it will show you, okay, this is the bit structure and things like that. So we're going to wait for it to change. So now, as you can see, this is what it looks like. This is what this burst looks like. If you were to go ahead and look inside of it, you will see a data structure. You will see the sequence of bits, zeros and ones and things like that. Now you can just simply do a replay attack. So let's leave this controller here, right here. I'm going to leave this here, and we're going to try to transmit this. We're going to try to replay this. This is being captured by my RTL-SDR dongle, which is connected to GQRX, and we're going to play this. So we're going to play this. We're going to use our HackRF, and I'm going to increase the gain and everything. Then we're going to play this. Alrighty. So you see this? It's going to infinitely play this. Here we go. So this is that burst that you saw. I think it didn't capture the last four press of a button. And you can just simply stop this, and you can go ahead and look at it generally. So you can look at it, and this is basically the structure of this. You can zoom in on it here. And this is the bit structure that it consists of a lot of zeros and ones and things like that. A lot of zeros. And then when the packet started, let's just go here. This is what it looks like. So a lot of zeros and ones. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, and this sequence repeats itself. So as you can see this here, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then you have 5 ones, and so on. And then this sequence, after that, some time, it repeats itself. So this is a way you can do it. If you want to have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.